Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today, it is just a stable market. Morning, the swing high was taken out, but there was some profit booking at higher levels. The Bank Nifty especially came under selling pressure. In the morning itself, there was some bad news about IndusInd Bank, but still, the IndusInd Bank was in green only. It is a HDFC Bank that has brought the Bank Nifty down. And in fact, ahead of the weekly expiry, the people were trying to manage the index because the Reliance has shot up 8% in just 2 trading sessions. So if Reliance is shooting up so much, so that is the second highest index heavyweight. So therefore, they bring down the HDFC Bank, so which is the top index heavyweight, so as to manage the index. Finally, the Nifty closed about 10 points higher, but Nifty future has actually come down. So the premium has come down actually. But despite that, the option premiums in the long-term options, they are not coming down. Surprisingly, normally in a falling market, the VIX will go up. In a rising market, VIX will not go up. And in a consolidation market also, the VIX usually has to go down. But today, the whole day markets were trading with some kind of a positive bias, but still the India VIX was higher. So because of that, option premiums were higher. At some point of time, I see Nifty is trading in negative, but December call options are trading higher than what it was yesterday. Put premiums were also higher. So some kind of volatility is setting in. But as I told you, as long as there is no negative news, Indo-Pak related issues, so things are going to be okay. But you know, option prices doesn't indicate the people left, right, and center selling put options. In fact, the highest open interest for tomorrow, it stands at 24,300, which is actually at the money. In case any war breaks out or any, even the limited one like a surgical strike, Nifty can fall easily 300, 400 points. That's very, very easily. So then these people will be in trouble. But anyway, people are not expecting any big, action from Indian side. So like in Gujarati, they say, Bhag Bhavan, just believe in the prices, and market knows everything. There is something called market efficient hypothesis, which says that, whatever you know, everybody knows. Whatever everybody knows, it has already been factored in. So this Kashmir issue or India's expected retaliation is not that only you and me know. Everybody knows. When everybody knows, it has already been factored in. So which means that very, very strongly, market believes that there will be no big reaction from Indian side. So even if it is there, probably, yesterday also FIIs were net buyers. Day before yesterday also FIIs were net buyers. So when there is such a big news, then how come FIIs are continuously buying? So that is really surprising. So who knows, even if there is any full-scale war is a different story, but I don't think that full-scale war will happen ever. As I always say, if there is a war between 2 nuclear-capable countries, then, the entire earth can be destroyed. And because both countries have a huge number of nuclear arsenals. So full-scale war is ruled out, but then limited strikes may be possible. But who knows? Even if there is any limited strike is happening, that can be used as an opportunity for the people to go long. So because the market strength is so good, and Nifty has shot up, nearly more than 2,500 points from the recent low, the middle of April to the end of April. And still, it's not giving up, despite so many bad news. So corporate front, result wise, there's nothing very big. I think Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv are in the next line. And today some BPCL results have come, so they are like nothing great about it. But Reliance share shooting up 8%. This has been underperformer for a long time. So in a matter of 2 trading sessions, shooting up 8% is something very good. As I told you, the first it was banking stocks. Now it is oil and gas. So we do not know what is going to be the next one. So as I told you already, May series is a 5-week series. It's a very long series. Tomorrow is the expiry, weekly expiry. After that also there are some 4 more weeks. And 4 into 5, 20 trading sessions. So there's a high probability Nifty might test to 24,800. So as I told you, the Nifty is likely to trade between 23,800 and 24,800, maybe at least for another 1 week, 10 days. Then we will see how the US market goes. When the market for 5 continuous days, US markets are higher, that is when Trump will come and talk some nonsense. The markets may fall. So as long as the Trump is not speaking anything, these markets, likely to continue to move higher. So that is the expectation right now. So the trend is your friend until it bends. So enjoy the trend. So FII data, I don't think that it will be out. So nowadays FII data has come very, very late. Like once upon a time, it used to come by 5:30 like that. But nowadays it comes very, very late. No, it does not come. So anyway, so we will discuss that tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.